Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on MacBook Air M2 or M1 or M3 or M4, any MacBook that you have. The steps are very simple and similar to the same one I'm doing. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to open your MacBook the right way. So first, when you open your MacBook, it automatically starts. To avoid that, you can simply press and hold your power button for 10 seconds and it will appear a back screen like this. Once you are on this black screen, you can press any key or the simple power key. Once you press on it, Apple logo will appear on your screen. As you can see, the Apple logo appears on my screen as well. Now your MacBook will safely power on like this and you can use your password to log in into your account, and it is as simple as this, and it is the same for every MacBook that you guys own. And that's it guys, you now know how to open your MacBook or turn on your MacBook Air M2. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for new videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.